Oi oi, and welcome back. Welcome to Woody's Wicked Challenges with One Blazing Eagle and the Devonshire Idiots. And what we have is a messy challenge for you, which is custard bombs. I've been looking forward to this for ages, and what this entails is we got some custard or brandy sauce
or rum,
and we're going to chuck these at each other and see what a mess we can make of each other. So,
okay,
without further ado, let's get custard.
I think on this challenge we have to have a strict no avoidance policy.
Oh, shut up, Si. Let's get on with it.
So obviously, people, we have our PPE on. Apart from Woody, he's wearing tracksuit bottoms as a start.
That's a start, and a full length top.
And a full length top. I've opted for mini skirt.
Easy to clean yourself, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh shit!
Where the fuck did it go? That is.
What the fuck is that in my back? Oh, what is that?
It's probably stinging. Oh, it's just a stone. Oh,
Shit, blazing.
Woody, you'll go.
Bro.
Yeah, I'll go.
Come at me, bro. Heads up, boys!
Oh no.
Come back, blazing! Come back, blazing! That's a good boy.
We're kind of falling apart here. Oh, my ears are ringing now.
Oh,
Oh,
Oh, fuck me, that was a lot of fun. So there we go. Everybody in the camera shop. Come on, come on, come on.
that's what happens to me. That's what happens when you get
Modern warfare.
at
Custard
its
bombs.
finest. Thank you guys for watching. Like, share and subscribe.
Oh,
I've been one blazing one. I've stung to pieces when I fell over.
Where's your back?
Brilliant.
Where's your back?
So Blazing Eagle 1
Where's your back?
has come to the Shire
It's red. You've got redness.
and we've destroyed him.